everybody! I'm here today with a simple driving lesson on entering and exiting an intersection. In this video tutorial, I'll be going over the basics of going into an intersection, dealing with that intersection while you are in it, and then exiting it after, okay? Very simple and straightforward. Basically, you have the entering process and then the exiting process. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buckle up. I'm going to tell you and show you what you should be doing in those situations. So for entering, I'm going to explain it first, then I'll demonstrate. For entering, you essentially want to scan the intersection as you are entering it, as you're moving your way towards it. You want to be ready to brake in case someone decides to just pop out in front of you. You want to look what's happening after the intersection, so look ahead down the road, and then you want to hold the wheel rather firmly because you might have to swerve as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to put it in drive, and this will apply to any intersection, whether it's a stop sign or not a stop sign. So I'm going to start going towards this intersection right here. It has a stop sign, so what I'm going to do is now I'm scanning already. Well before I get to the stop sign, I'm signaling, I'm doing my appropriate safety precautions, okay? Checking my mirrors, my blind spot, scanning again. I had to brake because I'm at the stop sign. Now I'm only going to turn when it's safe to do so. I can see that it's safe to do so over here. And I turned. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to enter another intersection in which I'm going to go straight, but it also has a stop sign once again. So the stop sign's well ahead right now. I'm just kind of looking at what's happening. But now as I actually approach the stop sign, I'm scanning the intersection. See, look, I had to brake because this person decides to just come out in front of me like that, okay? Literally, if I did not brake, I was going to hit him. It was my right of way. He should not have come out like that, but he did. So be ready to brake is a key factor, because if you're not ready to brake, if I wasn't ready to brake, I might have gone into an accident right there. So essentially, I'm in the intersection, scanning the intersection, driving, and now I'm through the intersection, which brings me to the second part of the video, which is exiting the intersection. So essentially, when you've exited the intersection, you want to scan far ahead. So you want to look far ahead down the road in front of you, okay? In addition, you want to check your mirror because something might have changed behind you. Like I can see right now that a white van is following me way further back. They have a good following distance. But let's say that I exited the intersection, right, and I check my mirror, and all of a sudden there's like this red car right behind me. So you want to know what's happening behind you. So after you get through an intersection, check your mirror to see if someone new is behind you, if there's some situation behind you that you should know about, okay? And also, you want to look for any adjustments that you might need to make. For instance, if the speed limit changes from a 50 to a 40, you know, after the intersection, you want to be aware of that. So whatever adjustments you need to make, if there's a curve in the road ahead, you want to be aware of that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to turn around. I'm going to enter and exit a few more intersections, okay? The next one that I'm going to pass through is one in which I will not have a stop sign, okay? So as I am driving, the intersection is just up ahead. There's no stop. I don't have a stop sign. It's only direction going this way. So I don't have a stop sign. I'm scanning, holding the wheel firmly, being prepared to brake, especially because there are lots of people crossing at that one intersection because there's a park on the other side. As I went through, I scanned ahead. I'm checking my rearview mirror, make sure nothing is happening behind me. And that's basically it. So essentially you want to, as you're approaching the intersection, scan, be ready to brake. Like right now, I'm approaching the stop sign. I'm scanning, I'm braking because I have a stop sign, figure out what's happening with the cars over here, okay? I'm scanning again as I am entering through the intersection, and now that I've exited, I'm looking far ahead. I see a 40 speed limit sign. Look at my rearview mirror, nothing new, and I can see right here there's a sign that says like school crossing. So I know over here that I need to be extra aware of kids that might be crossing the road. So with that being said, that's why it's important. If I hadn't scanned, I would not have seen this. Sorry, actually, it's like a senior citizen crossing sign. So, like, either way, I have to be aware. And if I didn't scan, I would not have been aware of what was happening right there. But that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over the basics of entering and exiting an intersection. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.